Labour shortages, increasing customer demand for e-commerce, and growing expectations for same-day or next-day deliveries mean packing teams are facing pressure like never before. Zebra Packing Bench solutions are fully optimised for modern logistics environments, providing warehouse workers with a faster, streamlined experience. Our combination of fixed industrial scanning and linerless print technology saves valuable seconds on every pack, empowering frontline workers to operate 33% faster versus conventional solutions. There's no more juggling boxes and hand scanners. Fixed scanners enable faster, more ergonomic scanning. There's no fiddly label peeling, and you can easily print multiple label sizes from a single desktop device. And there's no trailing media for a safer, greener workplace. Zebra packing solutions are better for your bottom line, better for your workers, and better for the environment. Experience the difference. Contact us to see how Zebra packing solutions perform in your own warehouse environment.